What is going on, everybody? Today we have another video to do that I'm interested. I've been trying to get one of these clips for a while. Obviously, it's by Lynch Northwest. This is the Warhawk in Cerakote, gray Cerakote. So let's get to it and check this out. These things are very difficult to get your hands on. They sell out so quick. This is, I do believe, is a DLT exclusive, hence the sticker over here that they sent me along with this. Very nicely wrapped. Okay. So there you get the fighter plane that it is kind of modeled after. See if this thing slides off, or if we got there we go. So P40 Warhawk, Cerakote, pretty cool. Nice action. Lynch Northwest, guaranteed for life. Really make this thing a challenge to get to. Okay. Thank you for your support. Guess a lanyard in case you want a lanyard. Sticker. In April 2021. Okay. Pretty cool. Let's get to the tool itself. Okay, so there you have it. There's the machining of the plane, and get that off there. Made in the USA, which is always good. Their famous pocket clip that everyone usually likes, nice and deep carry. And it says Lynch Northwest and DLT Trading. Very cool. Very subtle with its one coat of Cerakote. Basically, kind of loses the details of the plane, but if you actually use it, most of it'll wear off probably anyhow. But pretty cool. Very cool pocket clip. Like I said, I've been wanting to get one for a while to check it out. It actually seems smaller than it looks in pictures and people handling it on video. It's kind of smaller than you would expect. So let's get a little size on it. Yeah, so it's about, even with the pocket clip, it's about 4 inches long. About 3/4 of an inch wide. So pretty cool. Let's get a thickness of it. About 150 thousandths. So it's got a good little thickness to it. But overall size, pretty good. It's going to fit good in your pocket. Probably right alongside your knife or wherever you decide to carry this. It's pretty cool that the pocket clip is a little bit different color. Probably Cerakote too, kind of a bluish tone to it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like how it's got the machining of the detail, but it's very subtle. From a distance, you probably really can't quite tell what it is. I guess, if you want it to be a more subtle aspect when you're using it, Not a big deal, I guess, either way, but pretty cool. Like I said, I've been, wanting to get one for the collection and check it out. And that way, when I kind of do the ultimate video of pry bars, this is has to definitely be in that. So, because of the way it is very, very popular. So, pretty cool. Looks like you can take the pocket clip off if you don't want the pocket clip on there. And, if you just want to use just the lanyard, it can't go on the other side, but it does look like you can take it off if you don't want it on there. So that's pretty cool in itself. So, yeah, pretty cool. That's interesting. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for today. We'll catch you next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want more Tanto knife videos, and we will catch you on the next one. Have a great day.